you ever do this? Do you ever look at someone with a mask and you're fantasizing how they look below the mask? It's very fascinating. Some people I'm looking at, I'm like, oh man, I want to see. Then they remove and I'm like, nah. I don't. I remember when COVID first happened, when COVID first happened, nobody knew what is happening, right? Except chemists. Chemists were so excited, right? Chemists became a dance bar. They were sitting with face masks going, right? It was a mad situation. And the other person who knew about everything was WhatsApp. Oh my God. No one went to doctors because WhatsApp, everyone knew the cure. Everyone. How do you have COVID now? You have COVID, I'll tell you what to do. Take a limbo, cut limbo in half. Then squeeze both limbos in your eyes and go nimuda. Instant COVID cure. And now times are much better, right? Earlier we were living with masks. Now people are choosing masks, no masks. I've seen someone who literally was walking around with the mask like a handbag, like, yahan pe chutta paisa rakh ke chalte hai. But I really feel we should still keep wearing masks. I really feel. Do you ever do this? Do you ever look at someone with a mask and you're fantasizing how they look below the mask? It's very fascinating. Some people I'm looking at, I'm like, oh man, I want to see. Then they remove and I'm like, nah. I don't. And I really feel Indians still need to keep wearing masks. Because I don't care who you are, you will be walking in this country and there will always be one uncle. Please wear a mask, please, for the love of God. I don't know. Man, it was a very fascinating time, like when COVID happened, right? Everyone was like, what do we do? And I remember our Prime Minister, he comes on the television and he's like, Mitra, आज 5 बजे सब लोग स्टील की थाली कांच टूटेगा मैं रिफंड नहीं करने वाला स्टील की थाली के साथ गो टंग 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 आप मारोगे घंटिया मैं करूंगा एंट्रिया टंग 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 and everyone did it but at that time one lady stood out, one lady who was legendary and she got imprinted on everyone's memory. You guys remember her. She stood in the middle of the road with 2 plates and she went, go Corona, go Corona, go Corona, go. Everyone passing by looked at her and they are like, hello? Yeah, I found Aryan Khan's dealer. Found her. ज़्यादा ले लिया आज. Dude, that's my alarm tone in the morning now. Right? At 7 o'clock, go Corona, go. I'm like, it's gone. Get out of here. Please. And there were guidelines issued, like lots of things, okay? Make sure you do not touch your hand to your face. Very simple. Do not touch your hand to your face. Which was very tough because every time Kangana Ranaut would tweet, I'm like, arey yaar. Then wash your hands. Keep washing your hands. And they say wash your hands for 30 seconds at least. And the WHO actually said this. I'm not making this up. How do you know it's 30 seconds? You have to sing happy birthday to you while washing your hands, which is a great tactic. But a little creepy if you keep doing it, right? Imagine you enter the bathroom and standing there going, happy birthday to you. She'll be like, hello, police. Yeah, I found the stalker also you were looking for. My favorite thing was someone said, hey man, hey, you know what? The best cure for COVID? Yeah, you should try homeopathy. And I laughed. Because see guys, for years, I have dentists in the front row. For years, people have made fun of dentists not being doctors. But homeopathy is kuch bhi nahi. Oh, my parents are doctors. They eat homeopathy pills as soft, It is useless, those tiny white balls. Sometimes I wonder whether I'm taking medicine or I'm playing Pac-Man, Right, and I'll tell you how homeopathy works. Homeopathy is, have anyone taken homeopathy here? Anyone has had homeopathy? Yeah, okay, one person there. I'll quickly explain. You also, I'll explain, okay? And these two guys will agree with me. You go to the doctor, you're like, Doctor Saab, I'm not feeling well, bukar aa raha hai. Doctor Saab, like, don't worry. Take these 100 pills, okay? Tomorrow after lunch, take 2. You're like, thank you. Next day, you take the bottle, you take the cap, and you pour. But 2 never come out, 3 come out. And you're like, okay, happens. All of us make mistakes. You try to pour 1 back. But 1 doesn't go in, 2 go in. Now you go full ACP Pradyuman going, kuch to gadbad hai. All the pills are on the floor. By the time you've individually picked up each pill, 5 years have passed, your child is like, Papa, can we please go home now? You're like, I feel so much better. What a miracle. And now, right, now times are different. Times are much cooler. We can do a lot of cool things, right? Like a lot of times when people meet each other now, we don't do a handshake. Right? My favorite thing is this fist pump. Yeah, or you do this, right? I did that with my grandmother. She became gangster instantly. Can you imagine? What's up, Dadi? Yeah, what's up? What's up? Okay, Dadi son. But I really miss shaking hands. I still do. I think it's a very cool thing, right? And I really respect China because in China, they came out with something called the Wuhan handshake, okay? And I'll explain what's the Wuhan handshake. Wuhan handshake is very simple, okay? So why don't you come up here? I'll quickly show you what the Wuhan handshake is. Come on, give a round of applause, guys. Don't have to do much. Wuhan handshake in China, when two people meet, you don't want to shake hands with someone, right? So you kick legs. Give your leg. Bam. And you walk away. Done. Social distancing maintained, handshake maintained, contact maintained. Great. Works in China. It will never work in India. Because in India, if two guys meet like this, sorry, maaf kar de. I have done it to myself now. Thank you, buddy. Thank you so much. Hi there. I really hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, then don't forget to like, comment, and most importantly, press the subscribe button. There's a lot of fun content coming up soon, and I would love for you to be part of the audience. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.